You are responsible for Recyclass project. Please describe in few words what is it.
So Recyclass is a cross-value chain and platform which is grouping close to 80 members from the whole value chain of plastic packaging, and we are there to assess the recyclability of plastic packaging with a scientific approach. So we are having several technical committees where we build up all the methodologies on how to test the packaging, and also we maintain design for recycling guidelines based on the end results of some lab testing, and this is a kind of standardized method for that, so with scientific base. On top of that, we also manage some certification schemes to trace recycled content and also to assess recyclability.
What is the role of certification in recycling industry?
I would say that it's not just for the recycling industry, but it's for the overall value chain. And I always link this to trust, the word trust, meaning that we need to deliver, I would say, very real messages and showing the real things that within the plastic value chain is happening. And of course, with this certification, then you can prove what you can say, meaning that recycled content must be proven and traced back, and also recyclability must be with both feet on some real testing procedures, scientific testing procedures. It's not just claiming, I would say, some empty words, but giving a real substance to the claims.
How do you think, why the recycling companies should be interested in participation in this project?
Well, to some extent, this has built up under Plastic Recycles Europe. So I would say that all the European plastic recycling industry is already there, and it's quite important for this industry, because if we will be able to increase the quality of the design for the plastic packaging, at the end of the day, this will lead to a higher value of the waste material at the end of the first life, and the higher the quality of the waste, the higher the quality of the recyclate, which means the higher chances to replace virgin, which at the end of the day means circularity.
And technical question, what types of certification you created this time?
We do have 3 certification schemes. One is on recyclability. One is on the operation of recycling, so from waste to the secondary product, and the third one is on the recycled content on the products.
And the last question, what's your impressions about this event?
I would say that every year is growing and growing, and I guess this is a very good indicator on how the interest for plastic recycling is growing, and which is, to me, a very good sign. Next year we will have a further increase, and this means that I would say there is a big attention on this, and we have to be more and more professional in order to meet these expectations.